From bold oranges and rosy pinks to brown hues, monochromatic makeup trend is here to stay. So if you're looking to ace this matchy makeup trend, then this video is just for you. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you how to create a pink monochrome look. So go ahead, grab your makeup pouch and follow me as I take you through this easy step-by-step makeup tutorial. But before that, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon to stay updated with all things skin, makeup and hair. Now if you don't know what monochromatic makeup is, then basically it involves applying shades of the same color on your eyes, lips and face. This is perfect for someone like me who's always running late and has a whole bunch of things that need to be done before I head out. Because in this makeup look, you really don't have to think about how to match your makeup with the rest of your face. Now before I begin, let me tell you that I've already followed my skincare routine. Usually after this I apply a primer, but because today I'm using products that have primer infused in it, I took the liberty of skipping this step. So for this pink monochromatic look, I've chosen this eyeshadow palette. It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette in the shade Berry Martini. I'll start by applying this matte light brown shade above the crease as a transition shade using a fluffy brush. As you can see, these eyeshadows are super velvety soft and are super easy to blend. If you're a makeup newbie, get this palette or any from this range because they require little to no effort. Then I'm going to use the main eyeshadow color of this look, which is the vibrant pink color. Using a flat shader brush, I'm going to dip into this pink shade and I'm going to pattern downward motions all over the eyelid area. Then using a slightly tapered blending brush, I'm going to blend this eyelid color with the transition color. Then I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Explore Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Pink Champagne and Copper Glitter. These are dual-ended liquid eyeshadows that are lightweight, buildable, crease-free and also easy to use. Generally, I like to use a matte shade first as it works to deliver a wash of color and it also acts as a primer. But since I already have eyeshadow on my eyelids, all I'm looking for is to add a pop of glitter. I'm going in with the glittery shade which is called Copper Glitter. Using the applicator, I'm going to lay the shade on the centermost part of my eyelid. Then using my fingers to blend it out. Ensure not to blend the glitter shade throughout the eyelid as the focal point of this glittery shade has to be on the center of the iris. Next, I'm going to define my eyes by creating an elongated eyeliner style. For this, I'm using the Lakme Iconic Liquid Eyeliner in black. So first, create a basic liner style by simply following the shape of the eye. This eyeliner has a flexi tip brush which helps create a precise, crisp line. Then extend the eyeliner past the tear duct area. Draw a mini triangle and fill in the triangle so that there are no bald spots. On the outer edge, create a small wing. Now let's work on the lower eyelid area. Here I'm going to apply a bright pink kohl pencil in the waterline. This really is the star of this look. For that, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate, the Gelato collection in the shade Candy Floss. By the way, this kohl pencil is smudge proof, waterproof and the formula is super duper soft. Trust me, it won't tug on the delicate eye area and that is something I look out for when buying eye pencils. Can you see the intensity that the eye pencil just added? I just love it. Now let's quickly complete this eye look and for that I'm using my favorite mascara. This is the Lakme Iconic Mascara in the shade Black. This mascara lengthens and curls my lashes at the same time without appearing clumpy. Use the wiggle and swipe technique and your lashes will flutter like never before. With that, the eye look is done. Now let's move on to the base makeup. Depending on your skin type, select the formulation. If you have oily skin, opt for matte formulas and if you have dry skin, opt for a hydrating, dewy formula. Today I'm going to use this foundation. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This foundation is my absolute favorite because it has a primer infused in it. Exactly why I didn't prime my face today. Dot it all over the face and neck and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. You'll notice that the finish is natural skin-like with a medium to high coverage and has a matte finish too. Then I'm going to use a compact on the T-zone area as I want the sides of the face to still remain dewy, but then I don't want my entire face to look like a grease ball. So this is my trusty compact. It's the Lakme Absolute Wet and Dry Compact. Dab and roll and you'll notice that this compact gives the natural flawless finish. That's not all. It also has SPF 17, which means that you can retouch your makeup while on the go, and it will provide sun protection and prolong makeup wear time. Now for the blush, I'm going to stick to shades of pink so that we are in tune with the monochromatic look. So this is the blush that I'm using today. It's the Lakme Absolute Face Stylist Blush Duo in the shade Pink Blush. Using a damp beauty sponge, just swirl it into the blush pan and dab it along the center of the cheeks and blend it outwards towards the sides of the temples. Apply a little bit on the bridge of the nose as well for a sun-kissed effect. Next up is the highlighter. This is the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Dot it on the high points of your face and blend it out using just your fingers. This buildable, lightweight, non-sticky formula is super pigmented and it blends out seamlessly. And finally, I'm going to pair this look with a beautiful pink shade of lipstick. But before that, I'm going to line my lips with a lip liner. You know, I think I can live without lipstick, but lip liner? Nah-uh. Since I've started using lip liners, my lip game has gone several notches high. Today, I'm going to use the Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner in the shade Cosmos Blush. Start by drawing an X on your Cupid's bow. This will make the Cupid's bow appear sharper, and this especially is useful for women who have a not so defined upper lip. Then trace the liner along the corners of the lips. Fill in the center of the lips lightly as well, as this will create a base for the lipstick. Now for the lipstick, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nomad Pink. It's a pretty pink shade that goes well with the whole monochromatic look. Plus, this formula is everything. Super lightweight, has a velvety matte texture, and to add to it, look at this bite-sized lipstick. Super travel friendly as well. Alright, my look is done and it's time to cue the beauty shots in 3, 2, 1. Did you like this look? Was it easy for you guys to follow this step-by-step tutorial on how to create this pink monochrome look? Do let us know because we're always reading your comments. Now before you go, don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.